Question: System software helps the computer to answer manage internal resource. Next question: What is backup? Answer: copy to save a data from original source to other destination. Next question: Which is a software that is used to be do particular task? Answer: application software. Next question: The programs designed to govern the computer hardware system are called the answer system software. Next question: Which backup contains a copy of every program data and system file on a computer? Answer: full. Next question: software are designed for a specific purpose. Applications such as pay calculation, processing of examination result, etc. are known as answer application software. Next question: a collection of various programs that help control your computer is called answer system software. Question: which system software reside in main memory? Always answer loader. Next question: the step and task needed to process data such as a response to question or clicking an icon are called answer instruction. Next question: when files are broken up into small parts on a disk, they are said to be answer fragmented. Next question: a kind of system software which is responsible for loading and relocating of executable program in the main memory. Answer loader. Next question: the two broad category of software are answer system and application. Next question: it can make copies of all information stored on a disk or either restore the entry disk. Answer backup software. Next question: specialized program that allows user to utilize in the specific application is classified as answer application program. Question: write a software name. Answer Internet Explorer. Next question: what is a linker program? Answer it links the program with other program needed for its execution. Next question: the primary purpose of software is to run data into answer information. Next question: what type of software creates a smaller file that is faster to transfer over the internet? Answer compression. Next question: what is the main purpose of linker? Answer to resolve reference among files. Next question: computer software is answer a set of instructions. Next question: which application software is used for a special purpose? Answer special purpose software. Next question: which is a window utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and arrange file and unused to disk space to optimize operation? Answer disk. Question: the term used to describe the intangible instruction that tell the computer what to do is answer software. Next question: which type of software is used in organization to keep track of a product in stock? Answer inventory management software. Next question: which is a system software? Answer device drivers. Next question: software refer to answer programs. Next question: a software program that add functionality to your computer or help your computer perform better is called as answer utility program. Next question: who help in converting programming language to machine language? Answer language translator. Next question: which technique can be used to store a large number of files in a small amount of storage space? Answer file compression.